Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming by, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much, I really appreciate. Today I'll be showing you how I made this blueberry jam. I'll be using this blueberry for this jam. I'm using the fresh blueberry, 300 grams of blueberry. I'll be crushing it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Please subscribe, like what we're doing, please comment and share. Subscribe please. I'll be pouring it into my pot the crushed blueberries. I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar into it. This sugar will help to thicken it up. Feel free to add more sugar or less. Add according to your taste. I'll be cooking it for some time and I'll be stirring it all through. Please watch till the end to see the outcome. As you can notice, you can see it's already forming. Don't worry about it, just keep stirring it. The foamy part will soon disappear. As you can see, it's already taking up. You can check the consistency. If it's already thick as you want, the thickness is what you really want, you can off your stove. As you can see, for me, this is the ready part. I'll be squeezing in half cut of lemon. This lemon is to balance the taste of the jam and also act as a preservative for my jam. So you can see the consistency is so good. Now I can off my stove. You can see it's all good. The aroma is so good and the taste is so delicious. I'll be pouring it into my jar, and this can last for 2 months. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming by and always watching what I'm doing. I really appreciate. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you on my next video. Bye.